Welcome to Crypto for Seniors, where technology meets wisdom and curiosity evolves into knowledge. Today's video is about a brand new Bitcoin miner between $99 and $130 depending on options. Yes, that's right, for only $130 or less. This miner is a great entry-level Bitcoin miner that uses your standard home electrical outlets. This is perfect if you are new into crypto or like me, where I purchased two of them. One for my 8-year-old grandson to learn about crypto. And the second one, I got to make this video. First, nothing contained in this video is investment advice, nor is it something I am selling. Never invest into crypto or equipment unless you can afford to lose any or all of your money. This is not investment advice. This video is... So, here is how to mine Bitcoin profitably with this $99 to $130 miner depending on options you select, which is basically with or without the power supply. The Avalon Nano 3 is developed and produced by the NASDAQ-listed company Canaan Inc. and belongs to the Avalon product line. Think about the chill in the air during the cold winter. Your fresh hot tea cooling down in a minute. You feel cold hands and feet from sitting in front of the computer all the time. Even now that spring is coming, you still have to turn on the heat. Well, not with this little Bitcoin miner. Learn why crypto miners know how to heat their homes, for low or no cost, using crypto mining equipment to provide the heat for your room or your home. This miner's dimensions are 9 3/4 by 6 and 1/8 by 3.5 inches tall, and weighs only 2 pounds 3 ounces. Now, the style I picked with the power supply is selling for around $130, and it comes in white, black, midnight blue, yellow, and pink. The estimated shipping time is in May of 2024. Payment can be made by credit card, Google Pay, and GrabPay. Included in the charge will be shipping added, and be careful, they have a tip option that they fill out in advance, so be sure if you don't want to tip, move it to 0. You can find this miner on Indiegogo.com and search for Avalon Nano 3 Blockchain Smart Home, the portable heater that mines Bitcoin. This campaign is backed by 1,733 backers, with only 181 backers coming from the United States. So if you buy one or two now, you're still early. The Nano 3 has a minimalist design, and they claim exquisite craftsmanship. On the top you have the logo, a small square monitor screen, button to switch modes from 65 watt, 100 watt, and high power mode with 140 watt. More about the modes in a moment. Be sure the power supply is rated 140 watt, as you don't want to purchase one with a smaller power supply, then burn it up on high mode. And finally, the power button. Heat output is from 104 degrees Fahrenheit to 140 degrees Fahrenheit. They claim it has a soft breeze to give the perfect warmth. This is why the manufacturer claims this miner makes the perfect room or space heater. Additionally, with the 3 mode settings, power can reach a maximum of 140 watts, making it perfect for the home miner or to put in any room. Typically, miners make considerable noise, where this miner ranges between 33 and 36 decibels. And the information you have been wanting to know: how powerful is it, and what can I expect to earn, understanding that Bitcoin changes every few seconds? The Avalon Nano 3 personal miner provides 4 terahash using 140 watts and the electricity cost of 10 cents a kilowatt mining Bitcoin. By today's price, you could expect to make 0.0000605 Bitcoin with an estimated income of 0.418 cents. That is a profit of 0.08 after electricity. For 30 days, you can expect to do around 0.0001516 Bitcoin and an income of 12.59 with 2.50 in profits. So not the most profitable miner, but as I said in the beginning, if you are new to crypto, this is a good first low-power miner. Bringing these totals to a year gives you 0.002178 Bitcoin a year, estimated income of $151.08, and a profit of $39.11. So, you are not going to get rich from this Bitcoin miner, but unlike the solo miners running $300 or more, your chances of getting a block is slim. Only one person I know has ever gotten a block using the solo mini miners. Now, being that this is more an entertainment miner, you will have the Bitcoin halving coming soon, and the price of Bitcoin should double over the next year or two, so you will have additional profits over what I have previously discussed. The Avalon Nano 3 can be configured to use 140 watts, 100 watts, or 65 watts. So when you order, be sure you select the right unit with the larger 140 watts power supply to maximize your profits. The other models only come with a 65-watt PR 100-watt power supply. That's why I elected to pay a little bit more and get the better power supply so I can mine the most Bitcoin from this miner. Your Avalon Nano 3 is controlled by a remote app on your phone. You can control networking, operating mode, the light strip color, and other items all easily from the app. Shipping is to several countries, so be sure to look at the FAQ section. Custom fees may also be applied depending on your country. You simply scan the QR code to register and check the profits. Customers can withdraw profits via Lightning Network from within Pool UX. No network cable is required. This unit makes it easy to connect to your Wi-Fi. Wrapping up, the main reason I ordered this miner is one, to give one to my 8-year-old grandson, and be able to discuss him learning to mine crypto and how to save for his future. As for my review of the Avalon Nano 3 from the Indiegogo, I'm glad I purchased a second one for myself to play with. I may even give it as a gift to my brother or offer it to a subscriber in the future. Only time will tell. If you enjoyed this video, please consider supporting the channel by liking and subscribing to the channel. I am greatly appreciative of each and every subscriber.